Your husband might have a shoe problem.
You think? These are just boxes, not shoes?
They're just boxes.
They're just boxes. Okay.
Only one box had a pair of shoes in it.
All right. Okay, so we have everything out of the top of this closet, the top shelf, I should say. And this is kind of the leftover of my bags and just gunk, just not taking care of my bags. And there they all are, dusty, dirty mess.
See how much she appreciates what I get her?
I know, he's my love and he loves to get me bags. But yeah, we're doing purses today. I know it's on the list, but this is coming some future day. We're doing this the day we did Tom's closet.
So this is everything that I got rid of. All of this. This is
Except
everything.
stuff you threw away.
Yes.
Okay,
and then this is everything that's got to go back into my drawers.
And then this is the shorts.
Well, not these.
No?
These are work.
Oh, those are work. Those go in the other room.
Yes.
Okay. So undies,
But
shorts,
just this right from
socks.
here to
Okay, he
here.
does have a sock problem because he has a shoe problem. But these are work socks.
These ones are work, and these
are play. And then
everyday.
dress and church and whatever.
Yeah.
And then he is down to, I think, 3 pairs of sweats.
4.
4 pairs of sweats. And a big old
Well,
pile
no.
of stuff. Oh, you
I
have a
two
pair
more,
on.
6 pair.
Because there's
I
one
have
in the
this-
laundry?
Yeah, one in the
Okay.
laundry from yesterday.
Okay. So, and he's down to these shorts. And he probably got rid of...
1, 2, 3. I get 4.
4 pairs of shorts. So half.
Yeah.
Half shorts.
Oh no, 5.
5.
Here's
a little extra.
There's
More
those
than
shorts.
50%.
And then I got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs or 5 sweats.
And now, why do you feel like you was able to get away with getting rid of so many pairs of shorts and sweats? Because you're down how many pounds?
80 pounds.
80 pounds. Yes, he is.